Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to edit your screenshot on Canva easily without any problems. So guys, let's get started. The first step you need to do, guys, take a screenshot on your PC. What you have to do, I want to take for example this screenshot as you can see here. This is a screenshot, guys, and I will upload and I will save this screenshot on my desktop here and click save. After that, guys, what you have to do, go your Canva and click upload, this option upload, and click upload file. After that, click this on this desktop and click this your screenshot. This is my screenshot as you can see here, and click use edit image, this image, and from here, guys, you can edit your image without any problem, and you can crop, and you can if add effect, and you can add text. For example, click use InDesign here. If you want to add a text, click use InDesign. This is my screenshot, guys, and if you want to add text, click this text here, click text and click add the headline and write your text. For example, test one. For example, this is one, as you can see here, guys. I uploaded this text, I make this text for the screenshot, and you can add image, and you can increase the size as you can see here, or decrease. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.